Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. I've not listed in days and days and days. Still selling a few things, but definitely slower than if I had been listing all this time. So let's just take a look at some stuff I'm pulling. It ain't much, but it's what I got. I've sold the last of my cassettes. Right here, I got, these are mostly singles, cassette singles. Not really great titles or anything, but I've done well on them. I think I've sold like 4 or 5 lots of cassettes now for about 20 bucks each. I have very little, if I might have $5 in all of the cassettes, but yeah, 20 bucks plus shipping on top for those. If y'all were watching the other day, I was talking about how college yearbooks don't sell well. Here's a case in point. This is a LSU from 1966. Had this for a very long time. I finally got it sold though. $19 plus shipping on top for this one. Not exactly sure. I'd have to look, but I think I've had it at least a year. Okay, the last thing on my main account is an Akbar. I've got 2 of them here though. I have an SW15 and SW16. It's this one. So this is it. Just a loose Star Wars figure. $7.99 plus shipping is what I got for him. Okay, the other account got this book. It's actually just sitting on top there. And I got this book for $1 at a yard sale a while back, and I sold it on eBay for $9.99 plus shipping on top. That's all. It's pretty sad. That's all I'm pulling from here. I got a couple video games I'm shipping. I've been shipping video games every day. I'll show you those, and then we'll take a look later. And then I need to work on the shed. Then we'll take a look at what's going on out there. I want to get power applied there first, though. Okay, on the way home, I also wanted to mention this video that I put up yesterday about the, if you watched it, the empty envelope return that I called eBay about. I'm not going to go into it too much because there's a video about it, just last video. But wow, what a lot of support that most of the viewers gave for that video. And look, there were a few people who said I don't sell on eBay for this reason, and you know, I'm definitely not at that point because, like I said, that's the first time I've ever had an empty envelope return situation happen. So this is a rare thing. But eBay, I was insulted by both the buyer with the empty envelope, and then eBay insulted me. You know, like as somebody that is proud to sell on eBay and loves eBay, and then I pay them over $1,000 every single month, and I promote the use of eBay on my YouTube channel. Like if somebody said, hey, should I sell on eBay? I'd say, yeah, eBay's great, I love it. Given all that, for them to not just say, build it into your business model. Oh, it hurt a little bit, I gotta be honest. Like, why don't you love me back, eBay? Can't you love me back? It's like a one-way relationship. I send eBay money, I bring eBay business, I treat their customers, treat our customers really well. I find cool shit to sell there. I do all this stuff. eBay, just love me back. No, I'm over it. As soon as I made that video, I was like, wow, I feel better now. I got it off my chest. I got the call made. I got the video up, and I was like, well, I don't give a shit about that anymore. Moving on. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It's fun to read some of the responses. It's been like 500 freaking comments. So, all right, let's get home. I'll show you those games, and we go out to the shed later on. Well, this is cool. I got a message from eBay this morning. You can list even more. Now this is on my second account. Now I can list 1,350 items, and $18,500 per month on my second account. That's awesome. That is awesome. This account is only, I don't know, 6 months old or so. So I've requested one time to up the limits, and now it's at now those limits are high enough to where I think I'm good for a long time on the second account. So that's cool. That's good. It's taking a little while, but it's building. Okay, here are the video games I have going out today. I actually had 14 go out yesterday. Or no, day before. What was it? Yeah, day before yesterday I had 14 going out for the long weekend. But let's see, I sold these yesterday. The Rocketeer, Addams Family, and Star Trek. So these are doing pretty well. Let's see how many I've sold for how much money so far. Okay, so these are NES, all the NES games I've sold so far. Started with 247, and I've sold 81 for $868 now. So minus fees, I'm still $868 minus fees. I'm still about $250 away from breaking even, but I still have 160 whatever, 166 games left. So it's going pretty well. Okay, these are the games that I have left. 166 games with listed price of $12.54. So yeah, it's going okay. Okay, now I'm in the shed, and before I pack my orders even, I'm gonna do this. I have one thing left to do in here before I can turn the power on. Because I wired, yesterday I put a little junction box or whatever on the outside of this building, and the power's ready to go pretty much. I just have one thing left to do. Let me show y'all. So I've got all the outlets wired up. I put outlets, you see, all around here. And you know, they're all in, 8 outlets, including that one up there. And I capped off this line. This is going to be where the outside light is. I need to go get one of those today. But then all I have to do is wire up this switch, or actually these 2 switches here, and I'll be able to turn power on. And I really need to get some freaking heat out here. It's like 33 degrees. It is freaking cold in here. I can drop a little space heater in here and kind of take the chill off while I start working on the insulation. Because I need to put the insulation up top first. I have lighting coming in today, so I can't really put the lighting up until I put the insulation on the ceiling. So yeah, the sooner I get that done, then I'll be able to put the lighting up, and we'll have lights out here and heat. So switches are pretty easy to wire up. Basically, what we're looking at here, I've got the hot coming in on this side, and then I've got the 2 lines going out that I want switched. That outlet will be switched, and then this outdoor light, once it's there, will be switched too. So I've got the neutrals and grounds tied together and then put into the box, and then we have the hots. This is the hot coming in here. I've got it pigtailed off into 2 different wires, and then here are the 2 hots that are going out to the lighting. So all you have to do at that point is you take a switch and you wire one side to the hot, and then one side to, you know, your output or your lighting or whatever. One side will go here on this lug, one side will go on this lug, and then it is switched. So pretty simple. Okay, it's about noon, and oh, a couple of y'all mentioned that I should get a fire extinguisher for the shed. I bought one. It's right here. I bought one today when I went out for my mail run. I also bought a smoke alarm too for out here. So I actually just finished all the wiring, circuit breakers in, and I just hit the switch, and I haven't tested it yet. So I'm gonna let y'all see me test this live. I'm gonna unplug. This is one of my photo lights I've been using as a work light. So we're gonna plug her in. And these are all loose because I'm gonna be putting up some paneling, so I don't have these screwed all the way in, the outlets. So anyway, let me hit the switch. Cross your fingers. Oh, it works. Okay, cool. So I got electric out here now. So that's pretty friggin' exciting. So now I got to get the insulation up on the ceiling. That's gonna be fun. And then I can hang the lights, which are still supposed to come today, I believe. One other thing to test, that's my switch outlet up there, switched outlet. So I'll hit the switch. Yep, switched outlet is good. Okay, I'm slowly making my way down with this insulation. I'm putting fiberglass insulation up here. I do have an electric stapler, this thing right here. So it's definitely making it a lot faster. I've had this for years now. About probably 4 or 5 years. You're gonna do a lot of insulation, that's the way you go. This just came in. These are the lights. Each box is pretty heavy. I paid $100 per box. Each box has four 4-foot lights in it, and they're linkable, and they're supposedly 5,000 K temperature, which is good because my lights, these lights right here, shoot at 5,200, or the color temperature is 5,200 Kelvin, and these are 5,000, so that's really pretty damn close. It's not way off, anyways. I got a lot of advice on lights, but the ones around here, like when I went to Home Depot and Walmart and everything, when I look at them, they were all like cool white instead of like daylight balanced. But then when I went on Amazon, I looked at these Sunco brand lights, and they got really good reviews. They said they were really bright, and they were like 5,000 K, like I said, and they were like 4,500 lumens per light, that's super bright. And I saw in the reviews part, I saw a picture a guy had put up where he had like a car shop, and these things were hanging like way high up in this car shop, and they look like they're bright. They look like they're throwing some massive light down. So I went ahead and picked these up. I think they're supposed to use like 40 watts per light. So that's going to be a total. I'm gonna have them running down four of them down each side, plug it into that outlet back there, and let's see, that'll be what, 320 watts total. That's not bad for lighting this whole place up. Then of course I may have some other lighting too going on. We'll see what I need. But anyways, I'm gonna finish off this insulation today, or the ceiling insulation today. Anyways, not the wall probably. That'll probably be tomorrow, and get these lights up as soon as possible. I'm really looking forward to it. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. I shot on the phone today. It was just easier. I'll be using the GoPro again though. I was being lazy today. Hope y'all enjoyed. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.